Hi, Godspeed. In this channel, I want to say that the stars are close and we can go to the stars. The stars are in one day with the speed of light. But in this channel, in this video, I want to speak about the universe expansion. The universe expansion. This is the way I made my video. I'm saying like a tea science. I have always here a tea. This is a black tea with mint, and I'm not filming myself straight, and I'm not looking always straight into the camera. This is from my house. I don't want anything but for you to watch my video and to distribute. Everybody must know this. The expansion of the universe is false. Everybody blows up the balloon.
The first question is, if the universe is expanding, what is it expanding into? Well, the point is, imagine, I'm losing some of these galaxies, but imagine that each of these is a galaxy and that our universe is the surface of this balloon. This is a two-dimensional surface. Our universe is really three-dimensional in real life, of course, but let's use this two-dimensional surface to illustrate this. As I blew up the balloon, except for the galaxies disappearing, every galaxy was moving away from every other galaxy. No galaxy was moving towards any other galaxy. So,
like I've showed to you, everybody blows out the balloon, and I put for you Lawrence Krauss, physics guy, okay, with physics, wrong physics. So he blows the balloon, but he says that there's no approaching, no galaxies approaching one towards another. But was the mistake, original mistake. They did not saw very exactly that the galaxy are 99% one near another. So they invented the expansion. But let me tell you about the expansion. So listen up. This is more harder stuff. So you saw the pictures are near one towards another, and he says that no one is approaching another. Was the original mistake. Because this is what was invented before they saw that the galaxies are one close to another, 99%. But listen up, this very careful. Now let's suppose that you want to find out the Big Bang, like this exploded, the Big Bang. If a galaxy moves with a speed, another galaxy with a speed, another galaxy with a speed, like he blows the balloon, the Earth must be in the center of the explosion, because otherwise you cannot give the age of the universe 13.7 billion years. Is calculated knowing the speed of the galaxy, knowing the how big it is, the space. You understand? You give the space back, like you bring the galaxy back. You find out on absolute time, even though the time is relative, not because Einstein said, but it is. It's maybe some other time. So you give the galaxy back. To have 13 billion years, you must have a point of explosion. So if you have the different speed of recession galaxy, like 3 kilometers and 10 kilometers, 600 kilometers per hour per second of receding galaxy, you cannot calculate the absolute time origin of the Big Bang. So this blowing of the balloon is wrong, because it supposes the Earth inside so the Earth is the point of original explosion. So they knew this, and to not make the Earth here must be the Big Bang. If you see the blowing the balloon, like his guy blowing the balloon, I put for you another time.
it's not as if you're crowding anything out. The surface of the balloon is simply expanding. Now you'll say, of course, it's expanding into space. But that's just because we've chosen to embed this two-dimensional surface in a three-dimensional space. But let's imagine that this two-dimensional surface is all there is. That's it. The surface is all there is. There's no inside, no outside. Then when I blow it up and it expands, it is simply expanding. It's not expanding into anything at all. And as I say, everything is moving apart from everything else. Nothing is getting closer to anything else.
But from another part from his video. So he's blowing a balloon, and again he says no galaxies approaching another. And I put for you again some picture, you see, because this was the original mistake. So now what they did, trying to correct this, trying to correct this thing. They said trying to correct this thing. They said that the universe is homogeneous in isotrope. What this means is, if you go in another galaxy and you look at the sky from your planet that it is there, you will see the same, that the universe is receding from you with the same speed. Because otherwise you cannot calculate the Big Bang, you understand? You cannot make a medium, because the medium you must know all the recession speeds, and then you cannot calculate the Big Bang, because if you have the original explosion, it must be a velocity, and the velocity must be stopped in contracted and have the same original explosion or the same speed. You cannot have more speed than this, though. The Hubble time were 15 kilometers, I guess. But so if the galaxies are receding and you are in another galaxy, like your point, you must see every galaxy to recede from this. And where I wrote in the title about the fractal. This is only accomplished by the fractal. If you have a 3D-dimensional space and every point will recede from any other point with a constant speed, let's say Hubble speed 15 kilometers per hour per second, I don't know, because it's false, okay? The galaxy should bloom from empty space, from nothing, should bloom, and the space with a large. This is accomplished only by a mathematical fractal. If the original explosion would be from the point, and everywhere you look in the sky, every galaxy will recede from you with 50 kilometers per second, that to give the Big Bang, you understand, must be a constant velocity, otherwise you will make a medium. So if the galaxy will go away from the Earth, it means that here was the explosion. And if not, you say that the isotropy and homogeneity was invented exactly for this cause. Because, and you cannot accomplish 13.7 billion kilometers only if you have this fractal, mathematical fractal. So if you go in another galaxy to see the same thing, the same speed, the same recession speed. But this fractal, like in WinUp, like when you put music, if you watch that fractals, this fractal should be like blooming, flower blooming. So the galaxy should appear from nowhere, from nothing, to bloom, and a constant between them to be a recession. You understand? So if this guy blows the balloon and you see that the bidimensional sphere is moving with a constant speed, the center is the middle of the balloon, and only if it is the case, this you can give the Big Bang. You know an absolute age, 13.7 billion years is calculated on the recession speed, knowing the distances. You understand? So this means that they exploded from the Earth. It was the original explosion, and it is in the middle. Or otherwise, it is accomplished by the fractal, if you constant this receding velocity. But this fractal do not presuppose an original explosion, but a blooming of galaxy in all the spaces of from nothing. So if you do not understand, I put for you some screen captures. I captured them. But I'm telling you, these things were invented like a millennium ago, like ancient stupid science, okay, like crazy dudes. They do not have telescopes. I'm telling you in this my last section only one question. Where's the expansion? You cut some cadrants in where I have made a zoom, and you tell me where's the expansion. Only a single question, so where is the expansion? You look in my zooms in Hubble and Webb's James Space Telescope. Where's the expansion? So you look in my zooms and I'm telling you where is the expansion. You tell me where is the expansion. Can you catch some cadrants and you say, because you see when they saw that their galaxies 99% of them are near one close to another, they said that the cluster galaxy, many, 1,000 maybe galaxies are gathering together with attraction, but the 1,000 galaxy cluster galaxies move away. But you cut in what I give you cut some section, show me where is the expansion. And I'm telling you there is no damn redshift, and our galaxy is a sphere. We cannot see the universe. Our galaxy is a sphere surrounded by clouds, hydrogen, oxygen clouds. And we cannot see beyond this sphere. We cannot see the universe. And the solar system is indeed in the middle, and the galaxies are simply stars put in clouds. Pieces of metallic object, crystalline structures put in clouds that surround our galaxy. Thick clouds, one day with the speed of light, where the stars end at the border of our end of our galaxy, and we cannot see the universe. I'm telling you, we can reach the stars, we can make a ship to be fast to find out what it is beyond this sphere, because we do not know. We do not know at this current day. Okay, so this is the way I make my videos. I'm telling like T-Science. Goodbye, God bless. Share, like, distribute this. We can reach the stars, I'm telling you.